1. What is the process for using or manipulating people to gain access to network resources? A. Cracking. B. Hacking. C. Network engineering. D. Social engineering. Answers. D. Social engineering is the process of using or manipulating people to gain access to network resources. 2. Which of the following might offer good hardware authentication? A. Strong passwords. B. Encrypted passwords. C. NTFS. D. Smart cards. Answers. D. Smart cards are an example of hardware authentication devices. 3. Which of the following tools would enable you to stop a user from logging onto a local machine but still enable him to log onto the domain? A. AD policy filter. B. Group policy auditing. C. Local security policy. D. User settings. Answers. C. You can use local security policy to stop someone from logging onto a local machine. 4. Which hardware firewall feature enables incoming traffic on a specific port to reach an IP address on the LAN? A. Port forwarding. B. NAT. C. DMZ. D. Multi-factor authentication. Answers. A. To open a port on your hardware firewall and send incoming traffic to a specific PC, use port forwarding. 5. Xander downloaded a game off the internet and installed it, but as soon as he started to play, he got a blue screen of death. Upon rebooting, he discovered that his documents folder had been erased. What happened? A. He installed spyware. B. He installed a Trojan horse. C. He broke the group policy. D. He broke the local security policy. Answers. B. Xander clearly installed a Trojan horse, a virus masquerading as a game. 6. Which of these choices would provide better security for Mary's Wi-Fi router? A. Secure DNS. B. Web. C. WPA. D. WPA2. Answers. D. Mary should set up WPA2 on her Wi-Fi router. 7. What tool would you use to enable auditing on a local level? A. AD policy. B. Group policy. C. Local security policy. D. User settings. Answers. C. You can enable local auditing through local security policy. 8. John dressed up in a fake security guard uniform matching the ones used by a company and then walked into the company's headquarters with some legitimate employees in an attempt to gain access to company resources. What kind of attack is this? A. Administrative access. B. Data destruction. C. Spoofing. D. Tailgating. Answers. D. John just practiced tailgating on the unsuspecting company. 9. The first day on the job, Sam received a spreadsheet that listed approved software for users and clear instructions not to allow any unapproved software. What kind of policy must she follow? A. Classification. B. Compliance. C. Group. D. Security. Answers. B. Sam needs to enforce compliance to help keep the tech support calls at a minimum and the uptime for users at a maximum. 10. Sam wants to put a policy in place at her company to prevent or at least limit viruses. What policies would offer the best solution? A. Install antivirus software on every computer. Teach users how to run it. B. Install antivirus software on every computer. Set up the software to scan regularly. C. Install antivirus software on every computer. Set up the software to update the definitions and engine automatically. Set up the software to scan regularly. D. Install antivirus software on every computer. Set up the software to update the definitions and engine automatically. Set up the software to scan regularly. Educate the users about sites and downloads to avoid. Answers. D. The best policy includes updating the software engine and definitions, scanning PCs regularly, and educating users.
Our goal is to help you achieve your IT career goals and become a successful IT professional. We are constantly updating our content and adding new practice tests, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below or contact us at najarstar@gmail.com. We would love to hear from you and help you in any way we can. Thank you for watching and good luck with your IT exams.